We'll find out. So this is my driveway. Let's go see the damage. How do we even get by?
Do you have your house key?
No. Do we need something from the house specifically? We could get the car out. Well, the car looks level, so I'm hopeful.
Thank God you didn't park here.
Thank God it didn't park here. Jesus.
Okay. I want to see the back of the car.
If it's right under the tree, then it should be.
Honey. Oh my God, look at your roof. I see. Wait, is that your roof? Oh my God.
I don't think that's my roof. I think that's the neighbor's roof.
Oh, look at that.
Anything big fall on my roof? Where? She said it took out the cabling, but my God, I feel so lucky. Look, not much here.
Oh wow, you are so lucky, honey.
Well, except for this guy. Landed not on the roof, thankfully. Oh my.
Wow, even this didn't break. Oh, that thing broke. Do you see? Wait, the
This
vase
is-
wasn't there. The vase was up.
The vase was over there. It ended up
Firefighters.
down here.
Oh my God, do you see?
Wow, they were hit hard. I feel so bad for the people that... Wait, let me check my car one more. Oh no! Fuck you. Oh, okay. Small branch. No, I thought the back window got broken.
I think your house is the one that got hit the least.
Yeah, just the driveway. Thank God I didn't park in the driveway today. My God. The cable got taken out.
Where?
I don't know. She said a big branch came down.
Your tree?
This tree looks significantly less crowded now. I think we sent branches into our neighbors' yards, but not so much into ours.